I have made a program for rotary encoder, two-phase rotary encoder, and it is I made the program for both way. It will increase and also decrease the value, and this output will be on and off. You can see, and also you can see the setup. This is the PLC setup. All lights are now switch off. The PLC panel. This is PLC and all lights switch off. This is the push button. I use bell push button instead of push button. This 5 number is for reset. This 5 number is for resetting this PLC, and I connect this PLC with this encoder. I will rotate this encoder now, and I will show you one by one the increasing and decreasing of. You can see here it is online. Now I am rotating. See this, I am rotating now. One by one the output will be on. This first Wi-Fi will be on. This Wi-Fi will be on. You can see this on. Now Y4 will be on. Now Y3 will be on. Now Y2 will be on. Now Y1 will be on. And now Y0 will be on. This is the setting after 3200 Y0 should on. So it is now when it becomes less than, so it stops. Now one by one it will stop. You can see the number also. Now Y2 will stop. Now Y3, now Y4 and Y5. This is the encoder, two-way encoder, two-phase, and negative and positive, plus and increasing and decreasing, two-way. I used both side up and down counter, up counter also and down counter also. This is the setup, this is the encoder, and this is the PLC.